Right now, with the new NGC systems, it's very easy for us to prepare so many correctly folded proteins. And it's good for us because we should be able to publish even more scientific work out. NK cells, it's an acronym for natural killer cells. They have a broad repertoire of positive and negative receptors for activation and inhibition of these cells. And it's believed that these cells are very important player against the cancer and virally infected cells. Solving structure of these receptors with ligands might improve the design of biological therapies for people with viral infections or to improve the anti-cancer therapies. We basically are the lab which firstly published the structure of mouse and NKRP1 receptors using X-ray crystallography. And we are on track to also publish NMR-based protein structures. Once we have the structure, then we can follow the research towards getting also partner protein folded, then mix it together and look for the interaction between these two proteins. We decided to prepare these proteins doing recombinant expression, produce them in E. coli, get the correct fold, and investigate their three-dimensional structure. I used to work on so many LC systems, and I find out it's very difficult to get a pure protein. For this kind of research, we need very reliable LC systems to compare one folding procedure with another one and pick up the best one. The NGC system makes me more comfortable. What I really like that this system, it's designed like the cell phone or tablet. It's more familiar to students, they are not so afraid. My postdoc learned immediately how to deal with the system. And I asked him, well, can you give me a short overview how to use it? How much time do I need? 2 hours? And so, well, are you kidding? It's like 10 minutes is enough. And with 10 minutes, I was able just to design my method. I can design the method. I can see immediately that the method is correctly designed. I can inject my sample into the system and I can go away from the lab for, let's say, 1 hour. I am positive that all fractions are properly collected, the proteins are there, and I can pick up the fractions just for further analysis. If there is something incorrectly plumbed, we can immediately see the LED diode, it's blinking, okay? We can go back and fix it. And data interpretation is the bottleneck of the research right now. What I like on the NGC system, the separation is good, but also the software allows me to evaluate the results. It means I can see immediately what kind of analysis is the best one for this current task. We are not using the system only just for purifying the proteins, but also we are planning to use these systems for finding the ligand. It means if we think that NKRP1 protein interacts with another protein, we can scale down this kind of analysis, cut down the time for the analysis, and run these samples several in a day and try different ligands of our receptors. With the new NGC system, now we can speed up our research. It means that we can produce more proteins, we can get more MS-based structures or more NMR-based structures. Instead of preparing samples, that we will need more students interpreting the data. If you don't need to spend so much time working in the lab, and you can spend more time on interpreting data and writing an articles, then it's very beneficial for the lab.